Now we have to find the condition of tangency when equation of a line and equation of an ellipse is given to us. Okay, so we are given with, and one more thing, here it is written, hence find the equations, because to the ellipse we can having two tangents. Okay, so the equation, find the equations of the, just look at, of the tangents. Is it clear? So now the given equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c, equation 1, and the given equation of an ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, 2. Now, solving equation 1 and 2, what we are getting, x square upon a square plus mx plus c whole square upon b square is equal to 1. Okay. Now let us solve this part. What we are having, cross multiplying, we are having b square x square plus a square with mx plus c whole square. Okay, so this becomes m square x square plus twice of mcx plus c square is equal to a square b square. Okay, or to this part further we can write it, a square m square plus b square and x square. Okay, because b square with x square and m square x square with, sorry, and a square m square with x square. So x square taken common, a square m square plus b square with x square, plus what is left now, we are having twice of mc a square x, twice of a square multiplied by 2mc x. So we are having twice of mc a square x square plus we are having a square c square and minus a square b square. Okay, so what we can write it, plus a square common, c square minus b square is equal to 0. Equation 3. Now, which is a quadratic in x having exactly 2 roots. Now again it is a quadratic, so what we can have, we are again having 3 different conditions. Number 1, now if we are substituting the value of x in equation 1, then we will be getting y in terms of 2 answers. Okay, so we are getting at most 2 values for the y, but we want only one value because we are required for a tangent. Okay, so we will be using which value? Only we will be using that discriminant should be equal to 0. Only that is the condition when we are getting 2 equal roots. Okay, so even I am writing this also. Now the line 1, that is y is equal to mx plus c, will become tangent to the ellipse, that is equation 2. The line 1 will become tangent to the ellipse if it meets the ellipse in exactly one point. If the quadratic equations has exactly one root, say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now b square minus 4ac, from here we are having twice of mca square whole square, 4 times a square m square plus b square, with c a square c square minus b square is equal to 0. Is it clear? So now on solving we get a square m square b square plus b raised to power 4 is equal to b square c square. When you are solving this part, you will be getting this one. Now taking b square common, what is left? A square m square plus b square is equal to c square, or finally c is equal to plus minus a square m square plus b square. Okay. Now we got the value for c. Hence condition of tangency is c is equal to plus minus a square m square plus b square. Now we have to find the condition for the tangency. Now find the equation of the tangent in the slope form to the given ellipse. Now substituting value of c in equation 1, the equation of tangents, because c is already plus minus, so definitely we are going to write equation of tangents. Okay. So the equation of tangents in slope form to the given ellipse are y is equal to mx plus minus square root for a square m square plus b square. So this is what the condition for a line to become a tangent for an ellipse.